In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Brevo SMTP so you can send emails from your website or application smoothly and securely. Whether you're building a new project, improving your email delivery, or you simply want a more reliable way to send messages, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Brevo dashboard and make sure you're logged in. Once you're inside, look toward the top right corner of the screen for your profile icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select SMTP and a PI. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, you'll see a row of tabs across the top of this page. Click on the one labeled SMTP. This is where Brevo lets you generate secure SMTP keys for your integrations. Now go ahead and click Generate a new SMTP key. You'll be asked to name it something like Website SMTP, WordPress SMTP, or anything that helps you remember its purpose. Once you confirm the name, Brevo will instantly generate your SMTP key. This key works like a password for your email configuration, so copy it and save it somewhere safe. You'll need it in a moment, and losing it means you'll have to generate a new one. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you're signed into the correct Brevo account. Double-check the email you plan to use as your SMTP username, and keep your new SMTP key private. Doing this beforehand can save you time and prevent unnecessary issues. Once you've completed these steps, you can now configure your SMTP connection inside your website or app. Use these settings. SMTP server. Port 587 for TLS or 465 for SSL. Username, your Brevo account email. Password, the SMTP key you just generated. After that, you should be able to send emails through Brevo without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to send a quick test email to confirm everything is working correctly. Taking this extra step ensures everything runs smoothly and keeps your messages flowing reliably. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to set up Brevo SMTP easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be trying to improve their email delivery. Why not make someone's day easier?